Welcome back sa ating channel. Today is the 28th of May 2024 and it has been a long time since my last vlog guys. Sobrang tagal na talaga. I think last na upload ko was February this year and ngayon end of May na guys. So ganyan katagal yung aking last na vlog and last na upload. Anyway, aalis pala ako ng bahay. Pupunta ako ng shops. I wasn't gonna leave the house today. Day off ko today, guys. So, I wasn't gonna leave the house. Gusto ko lang mag-relax. Pero, I thought na I need to order my contact lenses. And, I need to pick up Jake naman sa school eh. So, I might as well go to the shops, order my contact lenses. Tapos, ipipick up si Jake from school. And then, we'll go straight sa kanyang swimming. So, busy yung ating life ngayon. Pa-winter na pala dito guys, kaya naka-jacket na tayo, sunny sa labas, and yung pupuntahan ko naman is shopping center, so we won't be outdoor for a long time, so medyo ano lang to, thin material yung jacket na suot ko. I'm wearing this. I've got my, ayan o, yung parang square pants natin, and I've got my shoes, ayan, so yan yung paauran natin ngayon. I've got my bag. So, yan lang guys. Simple lang yung ating aurahan. Naisipan ko mag-vlog guys kasi gusto ko lang kayo ma-update. Nagtingin kasi ako sa aking page and may mga nagtatanong bakit wala na akong upload. Bakit hindi na ako nag-vlog. So, I thought na I'll give you a quick update sa ating life. Same-same pa naman din. Same-same lang naman yung ating buhay, guys. Busy lang sa work. There were moments na may ups and downs tayo, pero yan naman yung life, diba? May mga ano talaga, ups and downs, hindi naman palaging masaya lang. So, ayun. Ngayon, ano guys, nasa school si Jake, nasa work si Mr. So, I'm home on my own. But it is already 1:51 ng hapon. So, I have an hour before I have to pick Jake up. So, mabilisan lang tong lakad natin. Kasi may swimming pa si Jake after ng school niya. So, I'm gonna have to take him doon. And inuwi ng bahay. And I want to bake banana bread today. Kasi meron tayong saging. Madaming saging guys na medyo soft na. And I don't think nakakainin yun ni Jake. So, gagawin nating banana cake or banana bread para hindi masayang. So, that's the plan today. I have been, staying home sa aking day off. And kaninang umaga pala, I washed my car. So, malinis yung ating sasakyan. I'm very happy with that kasi I thought na, babalik na naman kasi ako sa work tomorrow. And I thought na if hihintayin ko pa si Mr., baka makauwi siya ng late today. So, hindi namin macar wash yung sasakyan. So, I thought na I'm just gonna do it on my own. So, I did it and malinis na siya, guys. Malinis siya. Kinawash ko siya. Especially yung sa labas. Sobrang linis na niya. Anyway, let's go. So, ayan guys. Punta na tayo sa shops. Para maka-order na ako ng ating contact lenses. Kasi ubos na yung aking contact lens. I think I only have one pair left. And for like my special gala tayo guys, ayoko magsuot ng glasses. Gusto ko ng contact lens para wala tayong glasses na sagabal. Sagabal. So yung aking mata, my god guys, na tayo. Hindi na talaga ako nakakakita sa malayuan. So I'm nearsighted kasi yung distance hindi, if I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong ha, pero I think I'm nearsighted. Nearsighted is when you're blur sa malayuan. Pero yung close up is okay. Okay yung close up guys, like I can read my phone, like I can see my phone perfectly, I can read a book. Pero yung distance lang talaga napaka-blur. Kaya kahit itong sungglasses ko guys, meron tong prescription. Anyway, malapit lang yung shops na pupuntahan natin. Sobrang lapit lang dito sa bahay. It is around 3-5 minutes drive from home. So malapit lang talaga. Tapos malapit lang naman yung school ni Jake dito. And it is 1:55, so nearly 2 o'clock na ng hapon. Gusto ko bumili ng milk tea. Ba, yung ating bilbil guys, what na. So So, na-busy talaga ako sa work lately. I usually work 5 to 6 days a week and mostly full days, guys. So, yung routine natin palagi is I get up in the morning at about, yung alarm ko talaga is 7:20 and I usually get up about 7:40 or 7:50. And then, ginigising ko si Jake. Tinutulungan naman ako ni Mr. And, minsan siya yung nagagawa ng baon ni Jake for lunch. And ako yung nagre-ready kay Jake. So, pinapaliguan ko siya and I help him get dressed, get his clothes ready for school. Tapos, pinapakain. And then, hinahatid namin si Jake sa school. By the time we get back from school, it is around, 8:40, 8:50 ng umaga. And then, yung start ng work ko is 11 o'clock. So, I have about, just over an hour na free time ko to do whatever I want. So, before, nung I was into training pa, usually, nag-abs workout ako every morning for about, 15 to 30 minutes. And then, 30 minutes breakfast. And then, nagsastart na ako mag-ready for work. Nagsha-shower for 15 minutes, get dressed for 15 minutes, then I have to leave like 30 minutes before, yung aking pasok. Kasi, yung distance ng workplace ko is about 30 minutes drive. So, yun, I usually finish at about 9 o'clock at night. And then, pag-uwi ng bahay, pagod na, guys. Sobrang pagod na talaga, kaya wala ng energy. So, pag-uwi ng bahay, shower, diretso sa bed, nagko-coffee, nagpo-phone, or nanonood kami ng movie ni Mr. or yung series na pinapanood namin sa Netflix. And yun, yan yung routine natin. Tapos, kapag day off ko, tinatry ni Mr. na, mag-day off din para magkasama kami. And nagbabanding kami, like we usually go out for dinner or we go to places like yesterday, or no, not yesterday, the day before, so that was Sunday. Nung Sunday, we went to DFR, so we bought Jake shoes. I got shoes for myself and a few other stuff, ganun lang. So, tinatry namin na magbanding, ganun. Kasi busy-busy sa work, guys. Walang, walang sitting pretty dito sa Australia. Kailangan talaga, magtrabaho if gusto mo na mabili yung mga gusto mo. And mga expenses dito sa Australia, guys, sobrang mahal talaga. So, kailangan mong kumayod kasi wala namang napupulot na pera dito. So, lahat kailangan magtrabaho to get what you want and para yung mga kailangan mo, mabibili mo din. Yun naman. So, yun, malapit na tayo sa shops. So, ayan, kakapark ko lang, guys. Nandun yung ating sasakyan. Right there. So, yan, nakapark na tayo. And I love parking right on the corner para safe yung one side ng ating sasakyan. And I tend to, park talaga sa may gilid para yung ibang sasakyan, yung katabing sasakyan, hindi nila ma-hit yung door side ko. Anyway, pasok na tayo sa shops. Madalian lang talaga to, guys. Like, literally, para hindi tayo ma-late. I-pick up si Jake. Ito pa rin natin pagmumukha, guys. Same pa din. It's just pa din. Gusto ko sana bilhan ng another shoes si Jake kasi na-promise ko sa kanya na dalawa yung shoes na bibilhin namin. But when we went to DFR, isa lang yung nabili namin. Isa lang yung nakita namin na suitable for him. And pwede din niya masuot sa school. Kaya gusto ko sana matingin dito if meron sila. Skechers kasi yung mga sapatos na binibili ko kay Jake. And minsan nauubusan sila ng sizes ni Jake. But yeah, ito yung shops, guys. So, I'll show you. So, yan. Makikita nyo to sa vlog ko noon if palagi kayong nanonood or if you've been watching our vlogs before. So, ito talaga yung entrance na pinupuntahan namin. So, yun. Ito yung shops. Malaki itong shopping center na to, guys. Sobrang laki talaga nito. Hindi naman masyadong kalakihan, pero malaki talaga siya, guys. 2 level to. So, we are on the 2nd floor. Meron pa sa baba. Kaya dito ko gusto palagi nagpa-park kasi malapit siya sa Coles. And dun sa may Asian grocery, tapos Coles. Dito kami nag-grocery, tapos meron ditong fish shop, ganyan. And gusto ko yung mga shops sa bandang dito. Specsavers would be just up ahead. So doon natin i-order yung ating contact lens. Yung ginagamit ko pala na contact lens, guys, is called Fresh Look yung brand niya. Kasi napaka-comfortable niya. For me lang naman. Comfortable niya. And then I need to buy a perfume or cologne for myself pala. Cologne doon kasi medyo napaubos na yung ating cologne. Yung favorite ko na Britney Spears. Red top bago to. Oh. Ayan, pasok tayo dito sa Specsavers. Balik muna tayo ng... Hi! Hi, good, thanks. I'm after Britney Spears. I can't remember. It was pink bottle. Yeah. No. No. Not that one.
Is it the shape?
It's round, yeah. It's light pink. No. Well, maybe it's not Britney Spears. Is that all you have? I can't remember. Oh no, I think it's Ariana.
Okay.
Sorry, it's that one. Yes. Sorry, it's Ariana. I thought it was Britney Spears. Yes, correct. Just the biggest, please. It's Ariana Grande, guys. Yes. How much is that one? 59, yeah. I'll grab that one, please. Hi guys, dito na ako sa school. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina after ko sa shops kasi nagmamadali ako, guys, and tumawag yung school, Chisholm School, na pag-i-enrollan ko ng aking course kasi gusto ko mag-aral, guys. And I want something different sa buhay ko kaya gusto ko mag-aral. And so tumawag yung school regarding sa aking enrollment if tinapos ko na ba yung application kasi yun yung magaling, guys, yung maganda kasi yung school na yung parang nagpo-push sa'yo na mag-enroll, yung parang tinutulungan ka talaga nila. So I'm very thankful with that and ipupush through ko yung application ko. Gusto nila na qualified na kasi talaga ako, guys. Gusto lang nila yung yung mga konting information from me para ma-enroll na talaga ako. Anyway, I bought Jake yung kanyang sushi. Ayun, ito yung kanyang favorite, guys. Tapos, I've ordered my contact lenses na already kanina. So, I ordered 4 boxes. And my favorite, akala ko, guys, it was Britney Spears. Kasi noon yung ginagamit ko was Britney Spears. Ba, ito yung favorite ko na, na cologne. Ayan, it's Ariana Grande. And ito yung favorite ko talaga, guys. Sobrang, siya. It smells like candy. Anyway, kukunin na natin yung ating baby boy and update ko kayo mamaya.
Hi guys.
Hi! Ayan na yung ating baby boy, guys. I got him from school. And what have you got there?
I'm eating my avocado sandwich.
Why are you eating it now?
Because I didn't have it.
You didn't eat it earlier for lunch. Pinakain ko sa kanya, guys, kasi ayoko na matapo na naman ulit. Ganyan yan siya. Hindi niya kinakain yung kanyang lunch. Kaya pagka uwi, gutom na gutom. Yeah, you eat your fruit.
Mom,
Yes,
half
Bob?
of the sandwich went like this too. So I can't have that.
I'm gonna check off that. So how was school today?
Good. Good, thank you.
Good boy. What did you do?
Played with my whole gang.
Whole gang?
Yeah, I have a gang now, too. Because I met a different gang and I said, can we all be friends. And then they said yeah. All of them said yes, and then we have 2 gangs now.
Wow. You have a lot of friends.
If you have a gang, it's 20 friends. 20 plus 20, 40, so I have 40 friends.
So you have 40?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Because I'm very good at making friends.
You are.
Maybe next time when I come to the Philippines again, I could see all you, and then I can help you make more friends too. If you're a kid
Oh, you wanna make
watching
me
this
help?
film.
You wanna help me make friends? I'm alright, but I don't need a lot of friends.
Why not?
I'd rather have small but true friends.
Friends are the same thing as that.
It's quality, not
Yeah, and Mom,
quantity.
Mom,
Yes,
can I tell you the bad thing about school? One prep kicked me in the nuts 2 times. Then he kicked one of my mates in the gang that was in my gang. That was a basketball player. He got kicked in the nuts 2 times.
Why?
A prep. I don't know. He said no, for no reason.
That's not good.
Yeah. He was a basketball player too, but a kind of bad one. And Mom, I'm going to my swimming lesson now, and it's been after my school, and that's the swimming right there.
We better hurry now. We've got 4 minutes left.
Okay.
Careful, careful, careful. Thank you. Alright, go, go, go. Three minutes left.
So I only have a tiny bit of time left.
Yes, 3 minutes left. Ayaw niya magsuot ng top, guys. So, tinatanggal niya yan yung kanyang t-shirt. May shorts lang yan siya. Let's stay here for now. Talaga magsuot ng top, guys. Sabi niya kasi mas malamig daw kung may top.
So sorry, when you're videoing and taking photos, can only be of your top.
Good boy. Very good swimming, Bob.
Thanks. And I'm really cold. That's why I have a blanket on me.
I'll go home now, keep warm, jump in the shower. Hot shower. Put some jammies on and then ready for bed.
No, Mom, I'm watching TV.
Yeah, you can watch TV for a bit. I love you.
Love you.
I love you, my favorite boy.
Love you.
I love
you.
you.
Stop it.
Alright guys, uwi na tayo ng bahay. Ano bang oras? 5:07. So, uwi na tayo and magre-ready na tayo for dinner. Work ako bukas. Work na naman, guys. So, yeah. Wala nang day off. Work na naman. Kayod na naman bukas. Para may pang shopping tayo. Para may pang shopping. Anyway, let's go.